So hey guys, how are you all? Welcome back to the channel, and today in this video we are going to check out the all new Realme 14 Pro Plus, a phone that packs a big battery, powerful cameras and a stunning display. Let's dive into it. So before starting the video, I am just going to tell you that I have unboxed this phone and I am using this phone for around 1.5 months now. So this phone is just already unboxed, and a full video on this phone is coming on my channel in a few days only, so don't worry about it. So let's talk about, first of all we are going to talk about the display of this phone. So it is having a 6.8 inches quad curved AMOLED display with a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Like, it feels really premium on the hand, and the grip, you can hold the phone very tightly and your hand is not going to hurt if you're going to use this mobile for a long period of time. And it is having a massive battery of 6000 mAh, which can going to last for about 1.5 day or something. If you're going to use this phone for a very long time, it can make your full day, it can give you a battery of full day. So first of all, you can see the bezels is nothing on this smartphone. You can see this smartphone is having very less bezels, so it makes this phone a quite premium side. And now I am going to talk about the cameras. So you can see here it is having a 50 megapixel periscope camera. So I am going to show you the periscope camera, how it just move to periscope camera. So it is at 2x digital, and now on 3x you can see the movement of the periscope lens. You can see the quad difference between, and it can zoom up to 120x. Can you imagine that? 120x. And you can see the picture quality of this phone also. So you can see here the picture quality of the phone also very good. You can see the details on the leaves and each and everything very clearly. And one more thing, very interesting thing I am going to tell you about this phone, that it is having 3 IP ratings: IP67, IP68 and IP69. And one thing about this phone is that it is a color changing phone. It changes its color when it comes under a temperature of 16 degrees Celsius. It is also having a 3 flashlights which is of different color. I am going to show you that it is having a flashlight with different colors. So you all can just see here, my camera is not able to focus clearly, so you all just can see here like that. It is having 3 flashlights of 3 different colors, like it a quite warm light and a little bit warm, or and a very bright light, white light it is here. So it is having a very quite good flashlight setup, 3 flashlight setup. And it in the front camera of this phone is of 32 megapixel. It is going to capture a quite good selfie also. You can see here I am using this phone for now around 20 minutes, and the battery life on this phone is now 97%. So you can see that the battery life of this phone is now quite good. It comes with a chipset of Snapdragon 7s Gen 3. So that it means the performance of this phone is quite good. Whether you are multitasking, gaming, or just scrolling through social media. So that is for today's guys, and I hope you are going to like this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech videos. See you in the next video, and I'm going to make a full detailed video on this smartphone. So don't forget to like and subscribe and share your views on this video. So just bye bye.